It's Saturday morning, we're out of milk, and I want more berries from Meijer. So walk to Meijer with me as I stock up on their really good 99-cent berry sale. I have a 1 bag limit because I'm walking home. Okay, we have strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries, 99 cents each. You save $4 on the blueberries, $2.36 on the strawberries, and $2.10 on the blackberries. You're getting lots of berries. My teenager just texted me asking me to get raspberries, but that kind of kills me because they're not on sale, but I guess I'm getting such a good sale I can buy 1 thing of raspberries for muffins, $3.65. Well, we need shortening for the muffins, and I was gonna get the sticks because I like the value and how easy it is, but it's so expensive, so I'm just gonna get Meijer's vegetable shortening, $5.79. As I mentioned, we are also out of milk, so I'm gonna get 1 gallon at $2.70. Okay, so my teen asked me if I'd get raspberries too, because my husband's making muffins, blueberry muffins, but they're $3.69 for 1 thing of raspberries, or I can get frozen ones for $4.69, so we'll get these. Okay, so here is what I have. I have to walk home with all this, so wish me luck. Hopefully it all fits in that bag. Any guesses on the total? Okay, my total is $32.98. My bag is completely full, and I have that to carry on the side. Wish me luck, it's gonna be a long 2 miles home. Well, this is definitely a workout. I keep switching arms, but if you wanna see a normal Aldi grocery haul that I do on a weekly basis, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.